Today we'll take you on Halong Bay tour with us. We will visit the largest limestone cave in the bay, go kayaking and visit Titop Island. So first things first, we arrived on board and had lunch. It was a buffet with different dishes and that's what we got. After that, we went upstairs and enjoyed the stunning view of limestone mountains that rise up from emerald waters, and we waited for our first stop, Sung Sot Cave. The tour that we got is called Shared Boat Trip and it costed us 800k VND per person. Now we went outside, it's so cool! Look at the view, it feels unreal. So we arrived to the first place, it is a cave. We'll have to climb and walk 2 kilometers all the way up there. So now we are going inside the cave. Sung Sot Cave has 2 chambers. The outer chamber is often known as waiting room. The enormous spectacular stalactites that look like chandeliers hung 30 meters high. Sung Sot Cave means amazing cave or surprising cave, and that's what it did. It really surprised us with its beauty. The first chamber is connected to the second one via a narrow passageway. Covering a total area of 12,000 square meters, Sung Sot Cave is the biggest and the most popular cave in the bay. Beautiful stalagmites and stalactites and stunning rock formations, the inner chamber will surely astound every visitor. We have already walked through all this. See, we are almost there. So there is like the exit. Here we are. Not yet. So hot. It was quite a challenge to climb up the exit, but the view and the experience totally worth it all. So now we're on our way to go kayaking, and meanwhile I would like to tell you some interesting facts about Halong Bay. Halong Bay was twice recognized by UNESCO as a World Natural Heritage with thousands of islands and islets. Halong Bay means descending dragon in English. It is associated with the tale a dragon and her children came from heaven to Vietnam to help the locals defending the land from invaders. The jade and pearls that split from the dragons to stop the enemy later on became islands and islets. After winning the battle, the dragon and her children decided to stay in Halong. Locals named the place where the dragons settled Bãi Tử Long in their honor. The majority of islands and islets in Halong Bay have been named after local legends. We are kayaking, chill, so nice. Mine is vibing. So cool. And our last destination is Titop Island. We had only 1 hour on the island and we had 2 options. Either go to the beach and maybe swim a little bit or climb up the top of the mountain. So we arrived on the island Titop and now we're going to the top of the mountain. I'm already dying. We did it. We're on the top. That's a prize for our hard physical work. We're totally done. So hot. don't really like coconut water, to be honest, but it looks really nice. And mine just bought me one. So we're back, enjoying the sunset. Really tired. Golden hour. It was an absolutely amazing day, and I wish all of you to experience the Halong Bay beauty. So now it was time to go back to the shore. So we just enjoyed the sunset on the deck, and that was all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!